in today's video, I'm down here on the creek and I'm solo backpack camping in North Carolina. I got the fire going. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I cook tonight's dinner. It's gonna be this steak and eggs. I'm gonna cook it over this pan here. Everything I brought in with my book bag. I got my little 2-man tent here. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Hope you enjoy. If you like videos like this, hit the subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching. I had to put a jacket on. It's getting a little cold out here. Tonight it's gonna get down into the 20s and it's getting late. So I need to get a fire going. I'm gonna have to get some wood. I chose this spot for my tent because there is a lot of dead wood around here. There's plenty of firewood here, so that's not gonna be a problem. So I'm gonna set you guys up on a little time lapse here. All right, we got the fire going, guys. Waiting on some coals to get built up with the fire here. We're gonna be cooking steak and eggs, backpack camping, solo on the river. I'm in North Carolina. Got this little flat pan here. We're gonna put that right on the coals. It's getting dark. It's gonna be down in the 20s tonight. Keep the fire going. Build up some coals here. We'll be cooking here in just a second. Y'all. All right, guys. Get the steak seasoned up. Little pepper, little salt, Chicago. Put that pepper. I'm gonna put that salt. And we're gonna put that Chicago. I'm gonna throw it back in the bag while my cold fire's getting hot. I can feel it on my booty. I'll throw that back in there. It's cold enough out here. She is okay. Take this out. I had brought one monster and I shoveled dirt all in the top and all down in there. Fire's getting there, folks. It'll be dark here in about 20 minutes. Temperature's gonna start dropping. Show you a little bit of the camp. This is where you guys were seeing the time-lapse angle. I brought my little log up here so I could sit on it. Got a little bit of wood here. Show you guys around a little bit. The name of this creek is Beaver Creek. And I've seen probably 5 beavers down here already. I didn't have the camera though. I was trying to get stuff set up and get the tripod and stuff out there, but this is Beaver Creek. It gets pretty wide through here. It's not very deep though. Here we go, guys. There's some coals down there now. Won't be too long. Get some stuff set up here and we'll be cooking. And not everything is for certain, but one thing that is going to happen is it's going to be dark soon. And I think I can use some of this string here and hang up a little light I got, at least get a jump start on that. think that'll work just fine. That almost landed on one of my eggs. That would have been bad. We got some good coals here, folks. Look at this. Rocking and rolling here, guys. Rocking and rolling. Okay, we're using up a lot more wood than I was expecting. I'm gonna have to get some more wood. Oh, the fire's getting about good here. Got us a good set of coals, a little bed down there. Nice little bed of coals here. I'm hoping it's not gonna take too long to cook that steak. It's not very thick, but that sucker is hot. So we'll get them coals going there. Throw that on there for good measure. We got the steak pre-seasoned up here. Let me get the light. Brought a little cooking oil here with me. The log over here because the wind was blowing that way. Now the wind's blowing this way. Oh. Save the bags and wash them out. You can use them to pack stuff out, trash, or anything. That's a good trash bag. Leave no trace behind. Got a little pepper on there, salt on there. Very hot right there. I'm gonna cool her down. I'm gonna pull it off the coals right there a little bit. She is cooking way too fast. I want to pop her up just a hair. Look at that, guys. Wow. All right, let's go. Coyote's gonna be on me, boy. That pan's too hot to grab. And it is cooking way too hot. Some salt on them bad boys. I don't bring the whole roll, it takes up too much room. But if you're careful and you bring this little piece of foil like this, it's gonna work out good for me on these eggs here. I'm gonna double it up. And I'm gonna save these because they're gonna be toasty if I leave them on there. Those are hot. Well, it's almost dark. I need to get my headlight out. Oh, on camera it doesn't look nowhere near as dark as it is now. I got my little light up there. I got my little headlight here. If you guys like videos like this, like, comment, subscribe. It helps me out a lot. If you guys are commenting and liking, it goes into the algorithm of YouTube. This isn't a video that I usually do, so I know it's not very refined. It's something that I could definitely work on out here. Subscribe. Turned out good. I keep hearing a beaver or something in the water behind me. But as always, thank you guys for watching. Find this process a little bit better while I'm out here doing this by myself and trying to film it and just get all the angles and stuff. That way you're able to immerse yourself into this a little bit better. And it's just something I'm gonna have to catch on to. It's just something I really enjoy doing. I hope you guys enjoy watching it as much as I enjoy making this sort of content. I'm just out here. It's a whole vibe, man.